Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you a tour of Portmore and we are going to discuss why it's taking so long for Portmore to become a parish. So Portmore is a massive residential area. Well, more than residential. It started out as a residential area, but it has grown into literally a city. And it's so big that it's to become the 15th parish of Jamaica. And it would also be the first parish designated in Jamaica since Jamaica got independence. But it's taken some time. So we're going to give you an update on what's happening. Portmore has grown into one of Jamaica's largest urban centers, promoting proposals for it to become the country's 15th parish. Supporters argue that parish status would give Portmore greater administrative independence, faster decision-making, and more focused development planning rather than remaining under St. Catherine. In 2025, Parliament passed legislation to grant Portmore parish status, a historic move that would create the first new parish in over 150 years. However, the change has not yet taken effect. The main reason is legal and constitutional challenges, as altering parish boundaries also affects electoral constituencies. These issues were taken to the Supreme Court of Jamaica, which paused implementation until constitutional requirements are met. The process has also been slowed by political disagreement and public opposition. The People's National Party and the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation have raised concerns about consultation, governance, and readiness. As a result, the government has stated it will not proceed until legal matters, boundary reviews by the Electoral Commission of Jamaica, and court issues are resolved. At present, Portmore is not yet functioning as a parish, despite the law being passed. The delay reflects the complexity of changing Jamaica's administrative structure and the need to follow constitutional processes carefully. Alright guys, that's the latest update. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And also let us know if you think Portmore should become a parish. Alright guys, have a good day.